A group of mine believe that legends are born. Others believe they are made. But put them together on the field of destiny and fate and they will all play. Legends shape their world. Could be in a big way or something small. Legends make their mark, not relying on the etchings made by others or focusing on qualities that they might lack. Legends leave legacies behind, one that cannot be left alone. And today, for greatness not borrowed, and with his mission accomplished, a legend is a man. A legend is Archbishop Benson Andrew Idahosa.